Okay, so today we tried to fix the window again and it didn't work. The wiring's all done, but I think we're just not sending enough amperage to it for it to actually function. So here's that. Possible my window motor's fucked up. It's been a while since I've rolled it down or up. I've always done it before with a power probe. So maybe I'll bring a power probe home from work tomorrow and try it again. So we'll fix it tomorrow.